Hi everybody, I'm Brian Esser from How to Automotive, and I want to talk to you about a trend that I noticed about automotive technicians working in the comfort zone. So stay tuned for that. So what I mean by working in the comfort zone is I see technicians work in a fashion where they hustle until they get to a certain hours, and then once they get to those certain hours, their work ethic and their hustle just totally drops off, and they just cruise for the rest of the week. So say if their goal is to get to 40 hours, that's the minimum hours they need to pay their bills, they'll hustle really hard for 2 or 3 days in a row until they get to that 40 hours, and then now they're in the comfort zone, and then all of a sudden they slow down their pace, and then they only do, instead of doing the 8 to 10 hours a day, they drop off to 4 to 5 hours a day. I've seen this a lot, and then you know, they just cruise. It's kind of like a total attitude change, and you know, I think you're putting yourself in a danger zone when you work like that. And the reason why I say that is when times are good, you know, everything's great, you're paying your bills, but as you know, in an automotive shop, at any time it can dry up, and the customers go away for a while, you know, and it happens all the time. It's a regular occurrence in the automotive industry. Is you know, it gets slow. There's slow times. So you've heard the saying, you know, oh, we put money away for the slow times, but is it easier to put money away when you've got your 40 hours a week or 60 hours a week? You know, so that's what I want you to, the guys, to think about when you get to that 40 hours or that whatever that cap is where you have your minimum to pay your bills. You know, keep that hustle up and keep pushing, and that way when the slow time comes, you really do have enough money put aside so you guys can make it through that slow time. And then when that good time comes again, you're just back at it, hustling again, and you're making good money. So when you do that, it gives you a good boost, and your confidence level go up. You're more likely to do some studying. You're more likely to take some classes. You're more likely to invest in yourself and some tools. You know, if you're just doing the cruise, get to the point and cruise, you're not going to have the momentum to go pay for that class or buy that tool you want. So my advice to you guys is when you get to your minimum, keep that hustle up and push through and keep going all the way through the end of the week. And that way you can have that money for the emergency, have that money to invest in yourself, have that money for your tools. I'm Brian Esser from How to Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching, encourage you to subscribe, invite you to head over to the howtoautomotive.com website for more valuable videos like this. Thank you again for watching.